Chase Inc. Business Cash App. The pros, the cons. The Chase Inc. Business Cash Card might be one of the most underrated business cards out there, and most people don't realize how much value it actually offers. Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. You'll earn 5% cash back on the first zero spent each year on office supplies, stores, internet, cable, and phone services, perfect for everyday business operations. You'll also get 2% cash back on gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. There's no annual fee, and new users often get a substantial sign-up bonus. Thus, if you pair this card with a premium Chase business card, your cashback can convert to ultimate rewards points, dramatically boosting their value for travel. You'll also get solid protections like extended warranties and purchase protection. Now for the cons. The 5% and 2% categories have annual spending caps, and foreign transaction fees mean it's not great for international use. So, what's the verdict? The Chase Inc. Business Cash Card is ideal for small business owners who spend strategically and want to maximize returns without paying a fee. The surprising truth? When you combine it with other Chase cards, this no-fee workhorse turns into a top-tier travel points earner.